How to make a logo in Photoshop. So I'll tell you the simplest and easiest method to make a logo. Now let's say I have my name of, let's say, X, and I'll write here photo X photography. So what I'll do, I'll control A and basically reduce its size. So as you can see that I'll again go to this and align this. So you can see that this has been opened. Now I will basically decrease the length here. So sharp, you can basically select everything that you want according to your needs. Sharp. Now what I'll do is I'll change its color to maybe red, and I'll go to blending options and maybe add stroke. Stroke has been added, or I will also add a little bit of shadow here. So yeah, this has been added. Now I will basically reduce the opacity, fill here. So as you can see that I have selected this. Now what I'll do is I will select this magic eraser tool, go to this background layer, and I will select this. So all my background is gone. Now what I'll do is I will save this Ctrl Shift S into a PNG form, which is kind of logo form. I'll select this X photography and simply save it. So this is how to create a logo in Photoshop.
Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe.